We're visiting La Boqueria. I think I'm pronouncing that right. The market right here off the Rambla. La Boqueria is Barcelona's most iconic food market, located along the bustling La Rambla. Its origins trace back all the way to 1217 when meat vendors set up stalls near the old city gate. The current market structure was officially inaugurated in 1840, and its distinctive metal roof was added in 1914. Now, I really enjoyed walking around this market. I just love looking at all the unique food. So in this video, I'm really just giving you a virtual tour. We're just going to walk through the market and look at all the stalls. So if you're thinking of visiting, you're going to know what to expect here. Bring your appetite. You do need to know that it is closed on Sundays, so plan accordingly. I've got a follow-up video with all the other things we did in Barcelona coming soon. That's a beautiful looking fruit right there. Smell it. I smell the fish. Ooh la la. Yummy. I want to take a picture.
That's crazy.
Wow. Those are big, beautiful shrimp. Where did Brian go? The calamari? Is that your calamari? Well, you just don't see it. Wow, look at that octopus. Now this is wonderful. Oh, I like these anchovy potatoes. I may be back there later. Sure, we'll go to the end. Oh, now that's how they slice the jamon. You're so pretty. Ooh, that looks cool. Look at the burger taco, 2 for $5. Look at that, 2 for $5 burger. Good price, good price. I think right now that looks good too. This is where we should have been eating all along. I got some good looking stuff here.
Ma come sarà in ricordo? Dopo dobbiamo venire di nuovo. Sì, ma domani mattina no, domani mattina c'è un domani mattina facciamo di scuola e facciamo
This is the best smelling market ever. Empanadas. Jamon croquettes. Ooh, these are so pretty. These little meat and cheese. Want it now? This, or you want to go back to that other place? Actually, I want to go down the other aisle. So that one down at the bottom, we can get it free. Want to go around the other edge? I know, they're gorgeous. Do you think this is refrigerated, isn't it? How beautiful that cauliflower is. Okay. I know.
This is the aisle.
Oh, okay.
And then
Sure.
Sí. ¿Esta es la versión que yo venir hoy?
Yummy. There's so much deliciousness everywhere. Wow. Ooh, look at these beautiful little olive containers.
Rambla, que tiene la Boqueria.
Dried fruit. Anything you could possibly want is here. Ooh. Oysters in the shell. Let's keep going down, I guess. Oh, look at those clam shells. There. Now there's another market that I want to go to that's not far away that's supposed to be a little less touristy, but closer to the cathedral.
Just like literal slices.
Probably a little smaller, maybe.
No, llueve.
We have some right here.
That might not be the one we want. Okay. There's more over here too. Seafood here. Oh my gosh, look at that one. It has like a... it's like got a tongue sticking out. Yeah. fish. We're from the desert. Go ahead.
¿Quieres algo? No problem.
Those are cute. Hey, the hot sauce, Cholula. Beautiful fruit stand. All right, next up we're going to go look at the Santa Catarina market, I believe. It's closer to the cathedral. Yes?